in my dining table, and I made a deal. I'm gonna stay for 1 hour. Just time is starting right now because I'm inside. My brother's joining. And yeah, 1 hour. It's starting right now.
Bro, I can't see anything.
This is taking forever. What?
I can't see.
You're sitting on top of her. This guy's.
Then I can't see anything. Then I have to do this. I have to do this to see everything.
Just you're the one who's gonna give me things. You're gonna be the one that's giving me things. My brother's gonna be the one sitting with me, and I ask him something. He has to give me because I'm sitting here. See ya.
YouTube, there's a blogger. Can you stop talking?
So,
Stop talking.
guys, stay tuned for the next video. I'm literally gonna do a song. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this.
I am.
So, guys.
Adam, I made it to the video, bro.
Oh my goodness, guys. Actually, we're gonna stay here for 20 hours. So let's sleep. It's a night. It's kind of getting dark, as you can see right here. It's kind of getting dark. So I'm just gonna take a nap, guys. No worry. I'm gonna keep recording.
Guys, I'm the guy who's scared them. Adam. You sleep forwards.
Then hours later, the next morning. Lord, this took so long. It was next day, guys, as you can see. Alisa, what time is it? Okay. Guys, I'm just gonna stay for 20 minutes. Yeah, take it. That's so hard to stay here, guys. My back hurted so much from all of that.
Okay, I'm back.
So, guys, let me check the time right now on my iPhone 14. I'm joking, I don't have the iPhone yet. Time is.
Adam, you know we need to make longer videos.
Yeah, we're making longer videos. Like, I'm sorry we're not making that much longer videos, but we're trying our best.
We don't have ideas. That's why we need you to subscribe.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna take another nap because it's starting to get dark right here. So yeah.
Okay, I'll go to sleep.
Yeah. It's the sun, but I didn't get. It's the sun here, but I didn't get that much sleep, so I'm just gonna sleep a little bit more. Tomorrow, guys, is the last day. 50 hours.
You said 50 hours.
Yeah, 50 hours.
Let's go do something fun at the mall for like
I
8
can't. I'm
minutes.
not allowed. 3 minutes. The next morning, guys, this is the next morning right now. Let me see the time.
Hey guys,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's, guys, the time officially.